Hello, my dear students. Hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I'm Dr. Smrutirekha and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for ODIA and English medium students. If you believe in quality education, then you are in the right platform. As in eTuition, we provide quality education which will definitely help you to build your career. Then what are you waiting for? Please download the eTuition app and enroll yourself so that you can avail all the facilities at your fingertips. So students, without wasting much time, let us start today's class. So today we are going to solve problems related to sale tax, value added tax or VAT, goods and service tax otherwise known as GST. Okay, so are you all ready for that? So let us start. So all the concept we will be learning by taking some examples. So as you can see in this page, I have taken one format of a bill which you used to get whenever you do some purchase, right? So this is the format of the bill. So there will be some bill number and the date of purchase, and the menu will be having how many items you are purchasing. Depending on that, you will be having 1 2 3, and here there will be in item, there will be description of the item. Okay, then that particular item, how many in what quantity, whether 1 or 2, so that will be specified here. The rate will be specified here and the amount will be specified here. Now, while calculating the bill amount, we consider the sale tax. So, most of the case, sale tax here it is assumed to be 5%. Then, with the bill amount, after adding the sale tax, we get the total amount to be paid to the shopkeeper. Right? So, we are already acquainted with this kind of bill. Whenever we will purchase, we will get this kind of bill. Correct or not? Have you ever seen? If you have not observed, please check with the bills in the next purchase. Okay, children? So, what is sale tax? So, sale tax is charged by the government on the sale of an item. It is collected by the shopkeeper from the customer and it is given to the government. Okay? This is therefore always on the selling price of an item and is added to the value of the bill. Okay, there is another type of tax which is included in the price. Already the price which is quoted in that, this type of tax is added and that is called value added tax. In short, it is known as VAT. VAT. Okay. So from July 1st, 2017, Government of India has introduced GST, which stands for Goods and Service Tax, which is levied on supply of goods or services or both. Okay, so these are the different kind of tax. Now let us solve some problem related to your sale tax, value added tax and goods and service tax. Okay children, so this is your first problem. The cost of pair of roller skates at a shop was rupees 450. The sale tax charged was 5%. Find the bill amount. So here you can find out the use of your sale tax. So as you know, sale tax is added to the cost of the item. So let us write down the cost of roller skates is equal to rupees 450. The sale tax charged, that is ST, is equal to 5 percentage. So when you are telling 5 percentage, that means 5 rupees is charged on 100 rupees. Okay. So here what is the cost of the roller skates? It is 450. So what will be the sale tax for 450? So that you need to first find out, right? So the amount of sale tax to be paid is equal to 5 by 100 into rupees 450, right? So you get 5 by 100 into 450. So you get 1 by 2, and that is equal to rupees 22 rupees and 50 paisa, right? So this is the extra amount which has to be paid by the customer in addition to the cost of the item. Okay. So in order to find out the bill amount, we have to add what? We have to add cost of item and sale tax. Okay. So what was your cost of the item? It was rupees 450. Correct or not? So plus rupees 22 rupees 50 paisa. So that is equal to rupees 472.50 paisa. So this is the bill amount. Correct, children? So now let us take one more example. So here you will learn about how VAT is applied. Okay. So value added tax. So Wahida bought an air cooler for rupees 3,300, including a tax of 10%. Find the price of air cooler before VAT was added. So remember, when you are talking about the price of the product, it already include the VAT. Okay. So here you need to find out the price of the air cooler before VAT was added. Okay. So let us start with the problem. So Wahida bought an air cooler for rupees 3,300, including VAT of 10%. So here you are telling 10%. Okay. So that means if the price of the air cooler or any product before VAT is being added is 100, then the price after adding it will be 110. Okay. So when you are considering VAT of 10%, the meaning is that the price of an item, including, that is, the price of an item including 10% VAT means when price after VAT is rupees 110, then price before VAT or the original price is rupees 100, right? Similarly, when price after VAT will be rupees 1, then price before VAT or the original price would have been 100 divided by 110. Now here the price that is quoted is rupees 3300. So when price after VAT is rupees 3300, then price before VAT or the original price of air cooler before VAT is equal to how much? How to calculate? So, oh, here by mistake I have written 100, 100 divided by 110. Okay, so it was just a writing mistake. Okay, so 100 divided by 110. So, we'll take 100 divided by 110 into 3300. Correct? So, 11. So, here comes your 300 and your price is 3000. Okay, so price of the air cooler before VAT was added is rupees 3000. So let me just clearly write it here. So here actually we have used the unitary method. So here we have used unitary method. It is 100 divided by 110. Okay, so just for confirmation I am repeating it. So when price after VAT is 110, the price before VAT is rupees 100. When the price of the VAT is 1, then price before VAT will be 100 by 110. So here because price is 3300, so before VAT you can just multiply with 3300 and you will get the answer. Correct? So now let us go to the next question. So here we have implemented the concept of GST. Okay. Salim bought an article for rupees 784 which included GST of 12%. What is the price of the article before GST was added? Okay. So this 784 includes your GST value, GST of 12%. So Salim bought an article for rupees 784 which includes GST of 12%. That is, if price of the item is 112, then price without GST is 100, right? Similarly, by unitary method, if you find if the price of the item is 1, then the with GST, okay, so this is with GST, then price without GST will be equal to 100 divided by 112. So now, what is the price paid by Salim? So, the price of the item if the price of the if the price of the item is rupees 784, then the price without GST will be equal to 100 divided by 112 into 784. So this gives you as 7. So that is the answer is 700. So the price of the article before GST is rupees 700. Correct? Correct, children? Hope you have understood. Thank you so much for your patient hearing. Hope you have understood all the problems. Keep practicing. Download the Etuson app. Follow us in Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. And don't forget to practice more and more. Keep smiling and take care of yourself.